Hello students, welcome to online class. Our today's topic is from testing to digesting. It is class 5 EVS and this is the very important worksheet for your coming online exam. Okay, predict test on. So let's start. First question, choose the correct answer to fill in the blanks. Here is some option we need to choose. Here this type all word and fill in the blanks. First course A, if we have vomitings and lose motion, we feel weak. Yes, if we have vomiting and lose motion, we feel weak. So where is the word weak? Here is written weak. So we need to fill here written weak. Then a person is given a dash and dash solution when he has loose motion and vomitings. When a person is loose motion and vomiting, we need to give sugar and salt. So we need to write here sugar and salt. Where is sugar and salt? Here and here. Okay, then question C, dash can also be given to the person who have loose motion and vomitings. Student, we need to give sugar and salt, but also we need to give glucose drip. We need to give glucose drip also, or we can give also ORS. So we can write ORS, and it is bought by from different types of medicine shop. If the condition of the patient is very bad due to vomiting and motions, patient put on a glucose drip. Yes, we can write here glucose drip. It is very serious when you need to give glucose drip. Okay, so answer is here. So what is our proper answer? First one is, for first question it is weak is here, then second sugar and salt, and third is ORS, and fourth is glucose drip. Okay, then question 2, answer in one word. Okay, the process of breaking down of food in simple form which the body can use. Okay, it is churning. It is churning. So we need to write it is churning. This process called churning. Okay, then the teeny bumps present on the tongue, it is called taste bud. It is called taste buds. Taste buds is for question B and churning for question A. Okay, then question C, the liquid in our mouth that helps in digestion. Yes, it is saliva. It is saliva. Okay, then a muscular bag in our body that churns food, that is called stomach. Stomach. This types of question is very important for periodic test on. So practice very carefully. Write the question at first, then write the answer one by one. Okay, now some picture. Identify the picture. It is actually related to observation. Okay, now first question, what is this picture? It is in Hindi it is called imli, and in English it is called tamarind. So you need to write here tamarind. Yes, it is for this one, and this one is neem. Okay, now let's next picture. Okay, picture here, it is gulab jamun. It is a sweet. Sorry student, gulab jamun. It is a sweet, and this is lemon. This is lemon, but it is lemon juice, not only lemon. It is lemon juice. Okay, you written very carefully. Here is a problem for written. Then Next, following body parts are involved in the digestion of food. Match them with their action inside our body. What is the work of mouth, food pipe, stomach, and small intestine? We need to match this one. Okay, so first one is mouth. Mouth work is food is churned and mixed with digestive juice by into much smaller pieces. So mouth is related to this one. Then food pipe. Food pipe is from the mouth. Food is slowly moved to the stomach through it. The food pipe work is related to this one. Then stomach. Stomach work is nutrients from food get absorbed here. Okay, and the one is 4. Sorry, student. 2 is on, then 4. Okay, small intestine, saliva motions the food here, and large pipes of food are broken into the smaller pieces. Yes, this one is here. Okay, then 5. Take the correct answer. Who was called to treat Martin? Who was called to treat Martin? It is Dr. Bemant. It is Dr. Bemant is called. Sorry, Bemant is called. Okay. Then after 1.5 years, Martin would held expert for a big hole in the stomach. Option C is correct answer. Then Dr. Bemant started experiment on him. He took the juice. Okay. Then last question. Okay, last question is here. He placed the dash in the juice and kept the glass at the same temperature as that of our stomach. It is food. The answer is food. So okay student, this is all for today's class. We will meet our next class. Thank you all of you. And on talk, very important, practice it very carefully. Okay.